In this lecture, we are going to learn about encapsulation. Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. These are all real world engineering principles. रियल वर्ल्ड में आप जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखोगे, हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट, हर एक रियल वर्ल्ड एंटिटी will follow these principles. In this lecture, we are going to learn about encapsulation. In all real world objects, we can see their properties and behavior are grouped inside a single body. Let's take the example of a phone. Phone is having multiple components. For example, camera, network card, processor, battery, data buses, and screen. All these things are grouped in a single body. Basically, the properties and behavior of a phone are grouped inside a single body to form a phone. Same way, vehicle. Vehicle is having properties like engine, tire, fuel tank. And vehicle is having behavior like start engine, brake, and accelerate. Whenever we group properties and behavior into a single body, which means we are following encapsulation. एनकैप्सुलेशन का मतलब होता है डेटा और डेटा के ऊपर ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करने वाले फंक्शंस को सिंगल बॉडी के अंदर ग्रुप करना, सिंगल यूनिट के अंदर ग्रुप करना इज नथिंग बट एनकैप्सुलेशन. Let's take the example of a phone. Phone is having properties like screen, data plan, storage, processor. These are all properties of a phone. एंड इस प्रॉपर्टीज के ऊपर ऑपरेशंस कौन परफॉर्म करने वाला है? प्ले गेम, वॉइस कॉल एंड क्लिक पिक्चर. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ग्रुप टुगेदर इन अ सिंगल बॉडी टू फॉर्म अ फोन. Yes, this is the example of encapsulation. Whenever we group data and methods together, just like a capsule, that is nothing but encapsulation.